This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Murdoch. Beautifully updated 3-bedroom 2.5 bath condo west/attached 1-car garage on a quiet dead-end street. Spacious gourmet kitchen west/new stainless refrigerator and DW, loads of cabinets and 2 pantries. Center island makes for easy meal prep. For family and friends, as well as a LRG pass-through and bar to entertain. Open floor plan west/LRG great room that has built-in surround sound speakers and ceiling fan. 1 SR floor primary bedroom west/full bath including LRG soaking tub, glass shower, and new granite vanity. Bright, fresh paint throughout home west/new carpet and luxury plank floor. New HVAC to keep you and your family comfortable, huge walk-in attic west/loads of storage. Full-sized west/D. Upstairs, 2 spacious bedroom west/LRG closets and added built-in shelving and storage. Tall glass sliders welcome you to the private back patio that backs up to a wooded area. Community amenities include 2 community pools and clubhouses, ground maintenance, trash pickup, and water. Non-smoking unit, 1 small pet considered on case-by-case basis. For more information, review the details below.